Check 7.14 array code tracing 2. We're just going to be going through and explaining how I got all my answers for these. So the first thing that we have right here is we are declaring and initializing an array. And then we have a for loop that is going to go through this entire array, and it's going to do something to this array depending on the index we're looking at. So first we start at the 0th index. We're saying that the 0th index is going to be equal to the list at the 0th index. So it's going to be 2, this is 2 right here, plus list at the 0th index. So the element here is 2 as well. So we have 2 divided by, at the 0 index is 2. So we have 2 divided by 2, and then we have, well, that's going to be 1, plus this 2 is going to give us 3. And that is for our index 0. Now let's look at index 1. So next iteration of our for loop, list 1 is equal to list 1 plus list 1 divided by list 0. Well, list 1 is 18, right? So we're going to have 18 here, we're going to have 18 here, divided by, well, the 0 here, the element here, is now 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6, 6 plus 18 is 24. And then we have list 2. And for this one, the second one is going to be the second in the length, right? This is the second index. List 2 is going to be equal to 6 plus 6 divided by list 0, which is 3. So we essentially have 6 plus 2, which is going to give us 8. Now we have a negative 4 on this next one. So we are going to have a negative 4 plus a negative 4 divided by 3. So negative 4 divided by 3, how do we do that? Well, since this is an integer, we divide it and we round down. So negative 4 divided by 3 is going to be 1 point something, but we're going to round down to a negative 1. So we essentially have negative 4 plus a negative 1. That's why we have negative 5 here. Now, list at index 4 is this 5 right here. So we have 5 plus 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3 in integers is going to give us 1. So we have 5 plus 1 gives us 6. And then list at index 5, we have 1 here. So we have 1 plus 1 divided by a 3. And well, 1 divided by 3, round down, it's 0. So we're just going to have this 1 right here. That's why we have 1. So submitting, we passed 6 out of 6 tests, and that's how we go about looking at this problem.